Do you want to check and get rewards in Fliki? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can check where the rewards are in Fliki and how you can get the rewards. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, go to fliki.ai and log in to your account. Now, what you need to do is click Account and go to this section where you can see there is rewards. Click rewards, and what you need to do is go ahead and post your genuine review on any or all of the following sites. Go ahead and click Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and give ratings, and then you can gain a reward. Go ahead and write the caption you want to write, click share, and then you will get a reward from Fliki. So it's quite simple. All you need to do is write a genuine review in Twitter or Facebook, LinkedIn, G2, Trustpilot, Capterra, and then you will get a reward. The second is, what you need to do is screenshot the review and send Fliki the review. So go ahead and screenshot all of the reviews you have given and then select the step 2, select the website, click the link and click upload file. This way you can check your rewards and get your rewards in Fliki. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.